Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to jump straight into the video. Today we're going to be doing an apple cider vinegar rinse because your girl's got dandruff. A lot of it. It's really bad. For those of you who don't like dandruff, sorry. Yeah, so I'm just showing you guys what it's currently looking like. It's really bad. It's really bad. Yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Let's deal with this dandruff. So obviously you're going to start off by sectioning your hair so it's easy to manage, and you're going to section your hair into really easy pieces, really thin pieces, and you're going to spray the apple cider vinegar into these sections, just making sure that you really get in there, you really dampen your hair, and you make sure that you also get to the ends. Let's talk about some of the benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has acetic acid, which is what gives that sour vinegary taste, and it has antifungal, antibacterial properties, and it helps by getting rid of dandruff by dissolving through the dirt and the bacteria in your scalp without actually disrupting your normal scalp pH. Because obviously dandruff is fungal related, so it's really good at penetrating through the membrane of bacteria, which causes the bacteria to die. Apple cider vinegar helps by tightening your cuticle layers, which helps by making your hair really shiny and less choppy and rough. When you shampoo your hair, usually shampoo opens your cuticles, so doing an apple cider vinegar rinse will really help to just tighten your cuticles, similar to what conditioner does, but conditioner doesn't really do the best amazing job, but apple cider vinegar does a really good job at this. You can do this also while your hair is in a protective style, so in braids, in faux locks, in cornrows, whatever it may be. Generally when your hair is in a protective style, you're more prone to things like dandruff and itching and stuff, so doing an apple cider vinegar rinse will really help your hair out. With apple cider vinegar, you can't use it alone. You need to neutralize it because the pH of apple cider vinegar is quite acidic. It's like 2. So you need to neutralize it. You need to do this by adding parts. So you need to add 1 part water and 1 part apple cider vinegar. In my concoction, I used 1 cup of water with 20 ml of apple cider vinegar. This is a really large portion. I prefer to have more than less, so that I don't have to, mix again. So when you're looking for apple cider vinegar, you're looking for the words unfiltered, and you're also looking for the apple cider vinegar that comes with the mother, and the mother is the strands of stuff that come in it, so it looks cloudy and it's got stuff in it. That's proteins and enzymes and friendly bacteria. That's really good. So you can cause a lot of damage by actually using apple cider vinegar as is on your body, whether it be your face or your hair. So you need to make sure that you really neutralize it and you don't use it as is, because it's way too acidic. Some of the benefits of apple cider vinegar is that it doesn't contain any preservatives or added chemicals that damage your hair. So it's organic. Everything organic is really good for your hair. Apple cider vinegar clarifies and exfoliates your scalp, removing dead skin cells and debris and buildup. If you have product buildup, especially during the winter time and stuff when people don't really like washing their hair, it's really good to do an apple cider vinegar rinse. Majority of the conditions that we have in our hair that cause hair loss and dandruff are actually caused by bacteria. So by killing that bacteria, you're actually helping your hair to have a more suitable environment, because your pH in your hair, in your sebum, is actually acidic. It is not basic. Apple cider vinegar actually balances the pH in your hair by lowering the pH of your scalp. It helps to just keep your scalp at, homeostasis, at where it likes to be, where it flourishes best, where it grows best. So let's get back into the rest of the video. After I do my apple cider vinegar rinse, I go back to my normal routine, add some coconut oil into my hair, all over my hair, just make sure that it's coated and stuff. And then I start using my leave-in conditioner through each section of my hair and putting my hair into some cornrows. I'll just be putting it into 4 cornrows because it's really late and I have work tomorrow. So after this, I like to add some oil into my hair just to replenish the oils that have been stripped off. And then obviously I put my hair away and go to bed. So this is the next morning. I'm going to take out all the cornrows and show you guys what my hair looks like. So with an apple cider vinegar rinse, you can use it as a co-wash or you can use it in your regimen for natural hair. So I like to use it as a co-wash in between washes. You can also you can use it after conditioning. So you shampoo, you condition your hair, and then you do your apple cider vinegar rinse, or you can do your apple cider vinegar rinse in the middle of your wash. Just make sure that you really rinse out your hair because it stinks. So I'm just showing you guys what my scalp looks like now. Look at how clean that is. Not even a sight of one dandruff. This is how amazing apple cider vinegar is. So after that, obviously I'll tie my hair up and put it away and get ready for work. So I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to leave a comment down below and like the video. I'll see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.